Hi, we have a gorgeous guest with us, and she is none other than Dr. Pooja, and she has won two beautiful titles, Mrs. Uttar Pradesh and one gorgeous skin. So, and she's a dermat also, so we can dive deep in this beauty industry, the question related to it, and she has been doing this from Halet Hospital. She's a practicing dermat, and let's welcome her. Hi, Dr. Pooja.
Thank you, Deepti. It's my pleasure to be here.
Yeah. So, Dr. Pooja, tell me, it's Mrs. Uttar Pradesh, and then you're a working, you have a family also, you are working also, and then this title is also associated with you, which is related to your, work and something like that. Beautiful, gorgeous skin, which we can see on and off camera. So, all this, how do you manage?
See, it's within us only. Being a woman is a big thing, you know. We have, as you see, our goddess Durga, she has so many hands, and every hand has something or the other to do.
Yeah.
So, why not we? We are a part of her. So, the more you spread your wings, the better you know how to fly.
या वेरी ट्रू सो आप कैसे मैनेज करते हो लाइक हाउ डू यू मतलब समटाइम्स आई फैसिनेट सी आई हैव टू चिल्ड्रन एंड ऑन एंड ऑफ आई डू द थिंग्स कि मैं करती रहती हूँ सम इवेंट्स ओकेजन्स समथिंग लाइक दैट बट लाइक यू आर अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल ऑल्सो एंड यू आर इन टू योर दिस अ वेरी आई कैन से सीरियस बिजनेस which is none other than skin. I think the largest organ
Yes.
which covers everything. And in this world, na, it's like बहुत ज़्यादा every day we see new products, every day we see new things. So like आपको भी बहुत study करना पड़ता होगा. So how do you keep a like track on it also, and then this your family वाला thing also?
See, if I say it will be very clinky, but still, I have a very supportive husband
Okay.
that will lead for a very good pathway for my career.
Okay.
But if you talk about my pageant thing, it is all credited goes to my daughter.
Okay.
Yeah, she is from the day she started speaking a bit, she admires me a lot. I don't know why, but thank you, Mama. Mama, you look very beautiful. Even I wear night suits. She's like, Mama, it's very soft. You look very beautiful. And I'm
So-
like, wow, this is a very huge thing coming from a very, little child who doesn't even understand what is beautiful means.
Exactly.
So she was a strength behind that.
Okay.
And again, the career thing, I'll tell, my husband is very supportive. I don't know how he found that I can be this more big thing.
Okay.
Because I was stuck somewhere in my life that I'm satisfied with, my job
Your thing.
and everything.
So, when you won, after you're winning everything, so how was your professional life after that?
It definitely grows because, you got something which is recognizing you particularly.
I think there is a kind of validation
Exactly.
which people associate with. Ki haan, this is now validated. Now we can go and have more,
And,
more faith into
yeah,
it.
because they relate also that being a dermat, there are many dermats and they are very nice, but you have something plus with you.
Okay. So this has like added upon the things with you. Okay. I would really like to ask the question related to your professional area, like the dermat. See, there are a lot of skin problems. बहुत ज़्यादा है skin problems. And like in such world, like especially Indian जो पूरा एक climate है, एक weather है, every day it's changing. Cold are not cold, dryness has become something at a next level, and hot and humid again we have in the coastal region. So do you think ये जो जितने भी stars and they have launching their own brands. There are many stars who have launched their own brands, a line of chain of brands, not only Indian, I think international also. They have done it. So do you think it is right kind of a thing? Because when जब बाकी और बच्चे जो हैं, if you see, हमारा जो क्राउड है जो इंटरनेट सर्च करता है, चेक करता है, so there is a lot of people who doesn't have that kind of a maturity to choose right or a wrong thing. And every day I think कुछ नया launch होता है everywhere. So do you think कि ये जो launching वाला सारा चीज़ है, and there is a branded product and there is one in a store, you have a branded product and you have a medicated product, and definitely people are running after the branded ones. Do you think this is right, or how to get guidance about it?
See, I'll share a story of a patient. I won't name that, but
It's fine.
there was a girl of age 60. She was like having some pimples, which would be. So I would like to share a story. Group of 16 or teenager group.
Teenage, yeah.
We do have hormonal changes that may lead to acne, hair falls, or pigmentations or something
Very
like
true,
that.
very true.
That is very common. But the moment she asked me, "Ma'am, collagen ले सकते हैं क्या?" I was like, "Okay, do you understand what is collagen?" She's like, "I have seen videos, I have seen influencer taking that, and they have Korean glass skin." They don't understand when you say glass skin, it comes with Korean. Those two words are very, with matching together. Korean glass skin. Have you ever heard Indian glass skin?
No, I have always heard like beautiful brown tone and always like that. Like,
Exactly.
beautiful brown tone we have.
You know, my favorite actress, she's Deepika Padukone. Why, after having so much of money, why can't she get, lighter skin tone and everything like that? There must be some reason behind Korean glass because that is meant for their skin type. You need to understand Indian has another skin type which has to be treated accordingly.
Not
You
that-
can't just apply Korean product and say that you are going to have a glass skin. A definition of glass skin is just clear and healthy skin,
Okay.
not white, not like pimple free, not pigmentation free. Anyone can have any scars, and scars are beautiful.
Very true, very true.
They remind you of a journey or something. Like the girl came to me, 16, she will never get back to 16 ever.
No.
She won't be having those acnes ever again at the age of 30.
Very
It is just a phase of life. And you need to understand that it can be treated with very minute medications. You don't have to go very far for that. And you were talking about the brands they are launching.
brands are launching every day. It's a new
Yes. See, they have captured our mind. They know what we want. Okay. If I'll tell any patient of mine to apply just 150 rupees or 200 rupees ka clindamycin on your acne, they'll be like, "Ma'am, just clindamycin. I've seen people using niacinamides, kojic acid. Ma'am, on combination of that, pigments will go with acne and all." They teach me. After reading all those books, I learn from them also. I understand that, okay, yeah, these are right, but when? Where?
Not at this age. Of
Yeah,
course.
when and where? And how much quantity is needed? Medically approved things are different and cosmetically approved things are different. You can't just merge them.
Very
A
true.
cosmetic brand will never get a license to use a medical, approved, the quantity or the, percentage we use in medical
Okay.
medicines, And again, people are running blindly. I would like to tell you one more thing. Have you heard about the brand called Dermaco, Dr. Shades? Dot and Keith.
This I have.
These are the brands I go through on my Instagram also. They give you schemes. Buy one, get two, buy two, get one. Have you ever heard that any medicine will give you
No.
buy one, get one?
No, I
Why?
haven't.
If a product is priced on 800 rupees and suddenly it came to buy one, get one or buy one, get two, do you understand the costing you are paying for that? Do you think after paying 400 rupees you will get a good vitamin C serum or niacinamide serum?
This is all I think marketing gimmick.
Exactly.
The marketing gimmick. And जो ये audience है ना Instagram की जो audience है, I think they are very young audience, which can be easily influenced with such kind of marketing. But what is the correct tip for them? Like, do you think, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि हमें जब सर्दी जुकाम होती है, then हम डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाते हैं, घर में पैरासीटामोल क्रोसिन लेके ख़त्म कर देते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इस हमारे से जो पहले वाली जनरेशन भी थी, दे नॉट इनटू इट कि स्किन के लिए किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, राइट? दे हैड ऑल घर की चीज़ें या नुस्खे, हल्दी बेसन दही यूज़ कर लो, ज़्यादा कुछ हो गया कुछ और यूज़ कर लो, हैव समथिंग और द अदर थिंग. सो डू यू थिंक इस जनरेशन को एक करेक्ट गाइडेंस के लिए शुड विजिट अ डर्मैट ऑल्सो? लाइक हमें करना चाहिए? शुड वी गो एंड डू इट?
See, Deepti, I'll tell you, nowadays patients are more aware. They are reaching dermats, but again, they are reaching dermats. They are not listening what they are telling.
Okay.
You know, if I'll suggest a patient of mine that, see, you just need AM and PM routine. That's all you need for now. And for that, you just have to do like cleanser, basic moisturizer and sunscreen in the morning, cleanser and moisturizer in the evening. Additional to your age, according to your age, we add serums, we add some depigmentation creams or something like that.
Very true.
Okay, but then they listen to us and then they again scroll Instagram where there are advertisements that using niacinamide will do this. They are not even clear that what exactly is the role of them, but they are just telling that this will do that, this will do that.
So they need to listen.
They need to listen. They need to improvise that what are we telling them.
और इनके हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स भी तो होते होंगे. इफ दे आर नॉट लिसनिंग टू व्हाट यू आर सेइंग एज अ डर्मैट, अगेन व्हाट दे कम अप विथ?
You know better. Again, they come up with, some skin issues like pigmentation. Long-term use of some particular drugs can lead to pigmentation, uneven skin tones. You know, I'll talk about sunscreen right now. As you can see that Lakme, L'Oreal, every brand is having sunscreen.
Yes.
And some patients do use regularly. But still they have pigmentation, sunburns. Why? Because that cosmetic brand is not certified to have those particular medications in them. So we need to understand, you are going to spend any which ways.
You are going to spend in branded ways also, and you're going to spend in this medicated one also.
Exactly. Why not be wise there?
True.
If you are putting 500, 600 on your sunscreen, why not go for, medicated brands?
Very true. So how many patients you have like changed, like start using something which is medicated?
See, I have this power, I'll say, that I convince a lot.
No, this is, I mean, this is good also.
Yes. After, I'm seeing so many patients, there will be hardly 2 or 3 women's, elderly or immature girls like 12, 18, 16 years. They might not get that influence, but yes, I have seen them coming again to me and then they might, start with my rituals.
Okay. Okay. And like this, when I come to the pigmentation kind of a section, I think pigmentation has started very early.
True.
These days. Just because of this climatic change, we can say the weather is changing, or तो dryness तो I can feel everywhere. I mean, I have Adya and Advit, both of them are there, and I can see the dryness in their face. A lot of dryness. It can be genetic also, and it can be with weather also. It can be either ways. But I'm just telling you कि ये जो बच्चे भी हैं ना, like they're so young, and इनका भी जो एक स्किन रूटीन का एक पूरी एक लाइन है, सेबामेड, सेटाफिल, and they have a lot many of them. And many a times, you know, mother are also like no, concerned कि मैं क्या यूज़ करूँ. And you know, जब चूज़ का वो आता है ना कि एक क्राइटेरिया आता है, एक रैक रखना होता है चूजिंग का, they definitely choose those products which are in a higher price. कि ये मेरे को ज़्यादा में दे रहा होगा, ये एक नॉर्मल, आई थिंक दिस इज
Thinking.
या एक नॉर्मल थिंकिंग है किसी भी मदर की. अच्छा ये प्राइसी है, ये अच्छा होगा, लेट्स टेक इट. डू यू थिंक यहाँ पे भी वी नीड टू स्टॉप and stop buying unnecessary skin products and start reading what is at the behind कि क्या है क्या नहीं है, get educated and then start buying those things. So like ये जितना भी changes है, ये सारी चीज़ें, pigmentation is also there. So how to be like, you know, get treated
See,
about it.
you need to understand that mother will be mother. Okay? She will think of getting the best for, you know, Shine.
Yeah.
And again, she scrolls Instagram.
Nah, everyone is over there.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, she will be doing the same to cope up with others. You know, pigmentation can be due to just deficiency of vitamin B12. Those who are vegetarians will be having deficiency of vitamin B12.
Okay.
That could be the most, you know, common reason for your pigmentation is related, I'm telling. Okay. And you need to understand if your child is going to school, if your child is going to play, to playgrounds, to anywhere, you need to understand that they will get tan.
This tanning, ये तो beautification के standard has like, I don't know, from I think Elizabeth times चल आ रहा है whiteness. Indian skin getting like, I remember an ad like Fair and Lovely का, and still it still prevails.
I
Still prevails.
Not stop laughing on that transformation from black to
White. It just
not even in between, you know.
not even in between, and this is how they have like abhi to it's like long marketing agenda. So I mean, these all beauty standard, and telling a mother to just stop a child to go outside and play just because they get tan, do you think like it has really actually captivated our minds, or are we in an insane situation?
Yes, I do agree with you 100%. It's not just tanning, you know. I have seen mother not sending their child to playground that they'll get mud in their feet, hands, their dresses might get, you know, dirty and all. I was like, that is the age where he or she can, you know, play in the grounds, get dirty. If I go and play in the ground and get dirty, they will all say that, yaar, ye pagal hai kya? But no one is going to judge your child.
Very
That is a phase where you should, you know, understand that they need those things to, you know, unlock their wings.
very true.
I don't understand nowadays everyone is making reels
Every
rather than playing outside. They want to be influencers. They have now changed their streams to not working very hard to study, but working very hard to create a content.
Very true. And this is like very misleading. Very misleading. This can be very misleading, I can say.
Exactly. It is misleading. You know, I have seen kids scrolling around their phone while eating, while parents are doing some work, they just give phone to their child and then they sit quietly. Nowadays, parents want a child to sit quietly, which is not there, you know, उनके nature में नहीं है ये. that age is not meant to sit quiet. This is our time. 30s is the age where I found peace in sitting quietly.
Yes.
But they found peace in
Playing around.
playing around.
Joking around.
Yes. Making fun out of something. They making something new, exploring something new.
Very
Getting
true.
hurt and knowing that okay,
ये नहीं
next
करना
time
चाहिए.
हमें नहीं करना है ये.
हाँ.
But
Very true.
we are not letting them do what they have to at
So
the
you
particular
also
age.
feel the pain.
Yes, I do. I have seen kids. I try my best not to put an eye on that place, but still, I somehow, if I won't do, grandparent will do, some guest will do.
Ah, true.
You can't help that.
No, we just can't.
It
help.
has, captivated completely to our lifestyles. That is a part of our lifestyle, if you'll see.
So I think we all are like हमें ना बहुत वैसे सा कर रखा है कि all digged up, dolled up,
Dolled up, yes.
yeah, और बहुत superficial सा. The person who is in front of you try to like ये जो beauty standards हैं, like Indian beauty standards if I talk about, healthy skin का मतलब they don't understand. They just understand that white skin is the beauty standard, topmost beauty standard, and white is the ultimate goal. ठीक है, white is the ultimate goal. So would you like to burst any kind of a myth कि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है? You will not get into this kind of आप अपनी skin को छोड़ के नहीं आ सकते हो.
Okay, let's see one scenario.
Okay.
If you are aware of vitiligo, that is सफेद दाग, जो
Vitiligo, yeah.
commonly people tell सफेद दाग.
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है. If a person is completely white with that problem, vitiligo, सफेद दाग, that is a problem to society. कि इसको सफेद दाग है. क्यों? वो गोरा है. वो पूरा एकदम सफेद है. You should accept that because you are running for that.
Yes.
उसके गोरे पन के लिए तो आप भाग रहे हो. So why not?
But see, again वो vitiligo is you are telling, again that is treated कि वो बीमारी है. It's a kind आपकी pigment जो है.
So, that is what I'm telling you. ये भी mental बीमारी है that you want to change your skin color. You can enhance that. You can get that back. If you have pigmentation, tanning, you can get back that. Your original color, your original skin type. But you think that you will get whiter? That is not possible.
Okay.
It's not possible. People need to understand that it is not possible. If anyone is telling you that they can help you being whiter, it's not true. It might be temporary because we are living in a era where experiments and science are beyond our thinking.
Very true.
Okay, it can be possible, maybe, but it is temporary. Or some or the other way, it will harm your, if you'll disturb what is natural,
it is going to cost you in some other ways. Right. And I have heard a lot of injectables. आज के डेट में there are a lot of injectables people are taking. Like there are I think many for whitening. And they have certain kind of doses to it.
Yes.
And again there are fillers, there are Botox, and trust me, when I went Dubai, me and my friend were looking each and every face and we could not see any normal face over there. I mean, the lips were like, pouted up, the nose were ekdam slim. वैसा मतलब you can see one or two, but I could see the whole town painted into it. So when they were smiling also na, that felt very fake. To me, I'm not talking ki it's wrong or right. I'm just telling ki how it has like imbibed कि if you have money, if you have those things, ये injectables हो गए और बाकी सारी चीज़ें हो गई, are they मतलब is this right kind of a thing which people do, or do they try to cover their, like, एक अंदर से वो होता है ना, कुछ चीज़ें जैसे inferiority होती है, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती है which they want to just cover it up. Are they doing it for that ways also?
See, I'll tell you that it is not completely wrong in if done in moderate or required quantity. Why not look beautiful or look younger if you have options? But you need to understand that it has limits. When you cross those limits, then it is fake.
Okay.
If you have something to make you more beautiful, it is completely fine to go for that. But at a certain age,
At
to a certain
limit.
extent,
Yeah.
if you are talking about swollen lips and all fillers, fillers are beautiful to cover some sort of things, but again it has to be in moderation. It has to be symmetrical. It has to be complementing to your skin or your face or your body.
Okay.
Overdoing just because you have money won't help.
Okay.
And if you talk about Botox,
Mm-hmm.
also Botox has been used for treatment purposes also, just not creating beautiful faces, but on a medical purpose itself.
Okay.
Okay, and if you talk about beautification in case of Botox, there are, again, why not being beautiful if you can, but at a certain extent.
Because I have seen like many stars, they went for one, they went for two, they went for third, and when they went for the fourth one, their whole face looked like it is not natural what I went saw first. And the first copy was much better than the fourth copy. But this is according to me, my perception. And the way you are telling ना कि कुछ लिमिट में लेना चाहिए, कुछ वैसे करना चाहिए. Then, like I have heard one drug. It is called as glutathione.
Okay.
Very much into the current scenario. People will agree with me if they have heard of it. This glutathione injections, like there are many stars which have been taking it. I just want to know an insight ki kya hai glutathione drug, what is it? What is it all about?
See, firstly, I would address that not every celebrity is going just for glutathione. It combines with many more other drugs itself.
Okay.
And if you want to talk about glutathione, it is just a highly potent antioxidant.
Okay.
Which acts on your liver detoxification, that helps to release a good enzymes of liver, and that will eventually help in good hair health, skin health.
Okay.
That is a type of, if you say, that is a type of side effect of glutathione, that it is giving you glower skin.
Okay.
Or a
can
glow
you
or
tell me
hairs
like
and all.
the when it started, like glutathione, when it started? Because every time when I scroll my Insta also, or whenever I see something or the other, it has a highlighted kind of a drug. Like it has glutathione in it.
See, it's like it has been started for patients with cancer.
Cancer
With,
patients?
yeah,
Okay.
for some patient going through a bigger surgeries,
Okay.
to patient having liver cirrhosis, alcoholic liver,
Okay.
fatty liver.
Okay. Fatty liver तो सभी का है आज की डेट में.
True. So it was done there, that while taking chemo, it affects on your liver a lot.
Okay.
So we wanted that liver to be detoxified, reverse, if you see.
And glutathione started from there.
Yes. And eventually, they have started noticing that a patient administered with glutathione has an adverse reaction, which is, whitening of skin. Not even whitening,
Glowing.
yeah. And somehow patients might felt whitening also, some of them.
Some of them.
Okay. So from there, again, human mind, that worm in human mind ran and landed in Dermat.
And landed in the dermat.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And one more drug I want to ask. This is like a very, hype drug. Ozempic.
Oh, Karan Johar is back here.
Okay. Okay. Ozempic is one thing. I mean, the whole world is mad after it. I can say, matlab, very easy solution. Get injectables and you can be back to normal.
See, you need to understand. Whole world is mad about it. Once they understand the costing, na, the madness goes most of the time.
Yes, yes.
You know?
Yeah, I was asking about there is a very hyped drug called Ozempic used for your weight loss and everything. So, what is your take on it?
See, again, side effects. It is a drug basically used for a diabetes patient, you know. So, again, it was used there, seen in some patients that they are losing weight, and again, it land up there.
Okay.
So, they need to understand everything has to be on their place. If you misuse Ozempic, you have to suffer the loss there.
वेरी ट्रू जब आप ये बात बोल रहे हो ना कि लाइक ओजेम्पिक हो गया बीट एनी काइंड ऑफ मेडिकल थिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मेडिकल थिंग नो आई हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल थिंग जस्ट टू शेयर विथ यू माई मदर गॉट एलर्जिक टेस्ट शी गॉट एन एलर्जिक टेस्ट एंड ट्रस्ट मी जो उनका एलर्जी की जो चीज़ें निकली हैं ना शी इज़ एलर्जिक फ्रॉम पोमोग्रेनेट pomegranate is again a very good thing. It's an antioxidant and it is so rich in fiber, so rich in few vitamins and minerals. And again, she is allergic to this lemon.
Okay.
When people, I just want to like falsify your statement कि everything is good, nothing is bad.
Yes.
But one has to choose and use with
Wisely.
limitations and wisely. ये बहुत बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड अगेन ये लाइक वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स देर आर फ्यू वेरी सीरियस डर्मेट प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक आई कैन सी psoriasis is one of them which is just coming up. Psoriasis is something which is very scary and I have seen patients of it. They are having a very itchy skin and like hair is falling. It is commonly known as side effects like side effects नहीं an allergy from sun. मतलब जितना मेरे को पता है कि an allergy from sun. So do you want to say something about it?
See, psoriasis is aggravating through sun. But if you say that it is an allergic
Okay.
reaction from
okay.
sun, that statement won't be true.
Okay.
Okay. It aggravates when you're exposed to sun.
Yes.
And you know, it is not that big of a deal. It's just again a mind game. If I am sitting in front of you, if I'm doing this every time, your mind will go here and there ki why she's scratching. ठीक है, it is normal to scratch. If we will normalize that, ठीक है यार हम scratch कर रहे हैं, fine. And the thing is, it is scary because there is no permanent cure over that. Okay, if till the time you maintained, it will be fine. And you know, you don't have to go through huge things. People make money out of it a lot. I have seen.
अरे there are a hell lot of people who are telling कि मैं ये पूरा क्योर हो सकता है.
See, I won't go there. I don't think so. Personally, it's my experience that I haven't seen any patient getting fully cured. But again, very bare minimum things you have to do. Like if you have body psoriasis, if you have somewhere in your hands, you just have to apply a good moisturizer containing certain things, certain medication in it. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. If you have vigorous itching there, you might take anti-allergic time to time.
Okay.
Okay, you don't have to go very vast that some product has been launched to target that and it will cure and all. It is not going to happen. You need to accept that. And you know, I have been reading a book which is Psychology of Dermat. dermatology.
Okay.
Psychology of dermatology.
Okay.
It is leading a very beautiful pathway for me, I guess, because I've seen patient but never connected through that link, that
Okay.
it could be psychologically also. Sometime I have seen patient, they are like, मैडम पूरा टाइम ईचिंग नहीं होता है, बस जब मैं बेड पे जाता हूँ ना, पता नहीं क्यों ईचिंग हो रहा होता है, जब मैं कपड़े चेंज करता हूँ ना, तब मुझे ईचिंग हो रहा. Yes, because the clothes you were wearing was very uncomfortable for your skin. It was synthetic for your skin. It did irritated your skin, but you were not paying attention. And once you opened it, your skin started breathing again.
Okay.
So now you are relaxed, you are sitting, you are lying down, you have started noticing your body.
Okay, that is.
Then you felt that it is itchy.
Okay. Okay.
You know, if no one wearing cotton cloth will tell कि बहुत uncomfortable feel हो रहा है, itchy feel हो रहा है, no. If you are wearing something called satin, synthetic, your body will get friction to those clothes and will get dry more, water retention, and you will get itchy.
Okay.
So what you have to do, you don't have to lead for very much of things. Like people tell कि मैं नारियल तेल में कपूर डाल के लगा रहा था and all and all. I don't want you to go there. You just can put just नारियल तेल. Why to put कपूर? Because बगल वाले ने बताया था मुझे. एक पान के दुकान पे गया था. जस्ट इमेजिन, पान बेचने वाले ने ये सजेस्ट किया है कि खुजली हो तो नारियल तेल में कपूर डाल लेना. What this is?
Actually, the people are following.
And they are following.
यही तो problem है. They are following.
Acha, have you seen any celebrity or any brand launching different kind of designer paracetamol?
Designer paracetamol?
Have you?
No, I haven't seen. Not even heard. Not
Because
even
it is a medicine which cannot be manipulated. No matter how beautiful. Because we know that paracetamol will come for rupees 1 to 5 maximum.
Maximum,
It's a
yes.
very good brand. If you
Yes, absolutely.
so they are not interested in something which will sell in 5 rupees. They are connecting where we can spend more.
Where
Yeah.
this is the
Psychology
of
yes.
the patient.
Yeah, fever will not embarrass anyone. If you are having fever, you can tell me directly, ma'am, I'm having fever. But if you have fungal infection to intimate areas or somewhere, you will hesitate to tell me.
Definitely.
You will hesitate to. There comes a mind game. Ki they will not just pick cetaconazole, fluconazole or something like that. They'll pick a designer cream which is fancy and all कि ये आपका
खत्म कर देगा.
ये लगाइए, ये खत्म कर देगा. अरे क्यों, कैसे खत्म कर देगा वो?
So this is a myth, right? कि ऐसा डिजाइनर कुछ भी नहीं होता है.
You can't compromise on medication.
हाँ, you just can't compromise.
You can't compromise. How do you think that kojic acid, niacinamide or glycolic acid, these are acids जो नाम दिए गए हैं ने, they are particular drugs. They has to be used through a particular channel.
Very
You
true.
can't just launch it. I
And you
won't tell
just
that.
cannot use it in any amount.
Yes, I
Any
won't
amount.
tell that they are all of the brands are false selling that. But if that is good, I am agreeing that particular brand is good for you. But at least know that is it good for you? I mean, is it good for you or your skin type? You need to understand.
And for that reason, one should go to dermat.
Exactly.
Very, very simple.
There is a very famous drug right now going on, tretinoin.
Tretinoid.
Tretinoin.
Okay.
It is very much into Instagram. If you see a dermat thing or a clear skin, if you
Okay.
search, na, tretinoin.
Okay.
Okay, why I am talking about tretinoin? Because it is being very much mislead.
Okay.
Tretinoin is a very beautiful drug. It can reverse your mark. It can reverse your pigmentation. It can, some extent, it can reverse your fine lines, aging symptoms. But again, how to use, you need to understand that it has to use only and only at night, pea size amount, and it has some adverse effect. First, retinoid destroys your skin and then it gives you a flawless skin. But
Things can peel and
yes,
everything.
but what happens, they start using, they don't understand that it is a night application thing.
They put it
Whatever
in-
they want, they
yeah.
can apply, and then again they come to us when it get worsen up. Okay, and worsen up is a process. They don't understand that yes, it has just started working. Okay, and then they stop. When it has started working, you stop.
बिकॉज एक्चुअली उसके पीछे का जो साइंस है ना,
Exactly. You
वो
don't
पहले डिस्ट्रॉय करेगा सारे वहाँ के सेल्स एंड देन इट विल
regenerate.
रीजेनरेट.
Okay, and there is the time where you need to visit a dermat and you need to just ask that I am interested.
Exactly. कि right now I am going with this. I should not stop it and I should visit the doctor, ask the right question, and I'll get an enlightenment from there, and then I can again
See, it is. I have been through one incident that patient are not willing to give fees to doctors. That is why they are not visiting them. You know, my fees is 300 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, I have many patients. Please don't get offended if anyone has seen that. But then I have seen many patients that they don't want to give fees because मुझे तो बस एक चीज़ पूछनी है. Bro, I am there. मैं वहाँ बैठी हूँ एक चीज़ पूछने के लिए, you know. एक चीज़ का वो जो आप मुझसे पूछने आए हो उसका आंसर करने के लिए ही बैठी हूँ.
True.
है ना. तो समटाइम ऐसा होता है कि कोई एक पेशेंट है जिसकी मेडिकेशन चल रही है हमारे यहाँ. I need to taper that, I need to raise that, I need to see what is the progress behind that. But they are like, मैडम दवा दे दो, मैम से नहीं मिलना है. नहीं मुझे इस दवा से आराम मिल रहा है, ठीक है. अरे जब आराम मिल रहा है, that means if you are taking dose of 100, 200, I need to taper that.
Very true.
You need to understand कि 300 is not more. Your health is what has to be on the point.
Very true. So don't like, I think ये जो free का education, it's everywhere, it's flowing.
I am telling you, Pandala is giving advice, and he is very intelligent, and he has solution for everything. Pigmentation, अरे वो what you call that nutmeg,
हाँ,
जायफल घिस के लगा लीजिए भैया, एकदम आपका चेहरा चमक जाएगा. अरे ठीक है यार, जायफल has to be used where it has to be used. अब आप मानोगे नहीं, I have personally experienced it कि one of my friend had cheek bite.
Okay.
ठीक है, we went for having pan at night after dinner.
Okay.
And again पान वाला give the advice भैया चूना लगा लो, ठीक हो जाएगा.
Who is this pan wala dermat? I want to know.
Like भैया अभी तक तो डरमाट ही था, अब ये डेंटिस्ट भी है. Do you understand कि चूना क्या है? वो एक ओपन वुंड पे क्या करेगा?
वो बिल्कुल कर दो, वहाँ पे एग्रोवेट कर देगा एलर्जी.
And people follow, people follow.
People follow the pan wala.
हाँ, they do.
Who in the cancer is this pan wala? I just want to know.
You know, we are in Kanpur. Every
Every
pan wala haters has
pan wala who are giving this
advice.
All the advice they have there inside their store.
And they are, more influencing than a doctor's advice.
हाँ, ये तो है, because that is a free advice given to them. The free
They are not
advice,
charging.
and they are not charging, so it must be good. And I just want to simply understand, ये जो एक dryness होती है ना, this is my personal question to you. Like dryness, can it turn to eczema?
Yes.
Yes,
Can,
absolutely ना.
yes.
इसीलिए moisturize करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, right? And people are like taking कि dryness हो गया है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Granted, taken
हाँ.
for a granted. Yes.
अरे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, चीज़ें, अरे सब स्किन ठीक हो जाएगी. They do not understand कि आपका एक्जिमा वहीं से होता है. it happens from there. And I don't know, and many of them ask me this question also, Dr. Pooja. What is this allergy?
Okay.
What is, in basic, plain, simple, normal language, what is allergy?
See, first I'll address the moisturizer thing, then I'll come to that. You know, the word moisturizer, when you say that कि I have patient जिनको हमने बोला कि सर आपको कुछ लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, प्लेन मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाइए और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ ड्राइनेस की वजह से इची फील हो रहा है.
Okay.
And he laughed. You know why? Because that patient was aged around 64, 65 somewhere.
Okay.
And he laughed because I think that he thought that I am not matured enough to treat him.
treat him. Yes.
Okay, if that place I would have written 2-3 drugs like multivitamin, pseudo effect, anything, then I would be the best doctor, I guess. कि डॉक्टर साहब के पास गए थे, 2-4 दवाइयों में उन्होंने मुझे ठीक कर दिया, और एक डॉक्टर के पास गए थे वो इतनी छोटी सी डॉक्टर, वो कह रही मॉइस्चराइज कर दीजिए. They don't understand, it's just dryness. वाटर रिटेंशन है बॉडी में. जस्ट ड्रिंक वाटर, जस्ट ड्रिंक लेमनेड, जस्ट ड्रिंक कोकोनट वाटर एंड अप्लाई सिंपल मॉइस्चराइजर. मॉइस्चराइजर इज नॉट ऑलवेज कॉस्मेटिक.
Not
We
true.
have ceramide based moisturizers, we have certain lipid based moisturizers. Why? If that is included in medicine, it has some role, that's why.
That's why. True.
Otherwise कॉस्मेटिक तो आते हैं, बहुत सारे आते हैं. आई वोंट से कि आपको कॉस्मेटिक वाले नहीं लगाने हैं, बट लगाओ तो, कोई तो लगाओ आप. मॉइस्चराइज़र को बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस अंडरस्टैंड किया जाता है कि मॉइस्चराइज़र कौन लगाता है, लड़की हूँ क्या कि मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाऊंगा.
हाँ, ट्रू. ये तो है, ये तो
लड़कियों वाले मुझे क्या चिकनी स्किन चाहिए क्या कि मैं मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाऊंगा. नहीं भैया, मर्द की खुरदुरी स्किन ही बहुत अच्छी है. And seriously, I have those patients, यार. When I recommend them कि itching है तो moisturizer लगाइए सर. भाई आप तो मैम और बता रही हैं, मैं मेरी मतलब आदमी होके मैं moisturizer लगाऊं.
This also comes to you?
I am telling you to my personal experience.
अरे बाप रे.
Have you not heard about it कि मैं फेस पे सनस्क्रीन लगा लूं? अब बताओ मैं क्या लड़की हूँ कि मैं क्रीम लगाऊं?
Weather has to not find ये लड़कियाँ इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा.
I think that girls are more educated than guys. I won't, give that a statement, but yes, they are aware of what they got. अगर भगवान ने अच्छी skin दी है, you have beautiful face, you have beautiful skin. Why not take care of it with just simple moisturizer? They are not even putting moisturizer on their face. Body का तो आप छोड़ ही दो. बिकॉज वो क्रीम है, लड़कियों के लिए ही बनी है, उस पर लिख देना चाहिए only for girls.
I mean, it's a hilarious kind of, talking about patient, such kind of patient also prevails.
And
no offense to anyone.
I don't want to, correct them also. Because you can't change mentality. You can aware them, but you cannot change their mentality.
Okay, so according to you, do you think this ये जो cleaning, toning and moisturizing है, this is a very basic, very simple.
I will not say toning. That doesn't go with every skin type.
Exactly, I was coming to it.
But yes, cleaning and simple moisturizer and a good sunscreen has to be medicated. I'll improvise on that it has to be medicated, because there are certain things which are not allowed to be put in your cosmetic products.
What are these, when we are talking about in Lens, एक branded cosmetic range, and this is like medication वाला पूरा range. We have sunscreen over there also, we have sunscreen over here also. What things make it branded? Branded तो खैर like any person who
Packaging.
हाँ packaging हाँ.
That's all.
And अच्छा that is all. मतलब like उसमें ingredients का भी तो फर्क होता
बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क है. See, I'll tell you one thing, that if you apply a sunscreen with zinc, which is very much needed in sunscreen,
Okay.
it will oxidize when exposed to air.
So that is why when I have seen this कि जब कुछ लोग धूप में जाते हैं and their skin starts becoming darker, little darker. So this is oxidation process.
Yes, oxidation of your sunscreen, which
Okay.
is good somewhat to protect your skin.
Okay.
Okay, that people are not ready for this because
हाँ.
they want again
वो
water.
वाला white skin
ठीक
वाला.
है.
Okay.
A product doesn't contain zinc, gives you flawless. It also protects. It does. I wouldn't say that it is not protecting you, but zinc is an important ingredient there in
Okay.
sunscreen.
In sunscreen. Okay.
Okay. So again, we will land up to those product which is not oxidizing, which is not getting us to darker skin tone or something like that. Flawlessness is a key. If a product is giving flawlessness, having see if we required certain things in sunscreen, rather than putting that, if we are applying giving hyaluronic acid in sunscreen or any other moisturizing agent, it will shine and
Okay.
eventually you will feel good that my skin is glowing, it's shiny and everything. But after certain period of time, you will get tan. Then you will come to us and then you will ask us, I am applying my sunscreen twice, thrice, still I am not getting glower skin. Then I'll ask, which sunscreen you are applying? They will be like, ma'am, Dot and Keith का. क्यों? And मैम उन पे अभी buy one get two सारे घर वाले यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग सारे डॉट एंड की
So that is branded also.
ब्रांडेड
में भी
विद
अच्छा
ब्यूटीफुल
लगता है.
पैकिंग आप बोलने भी अच्छा लग रहा है क्या क्या यूज कर रहे हो आई एम यूजिंग डॉट एंड की अब इफ आई से कि आप क्या यूज कर रहे हो आई एम यूजिंग सनबर्न सन मिस्ट फोटोन हाउ डज इट साउंड डॉट एंड कीथ इज अ ब्रांड
Yeah. So they are like, this is marketing is the difference between your cosmetic line and
Marketing
this.
plays a big role. No, it's not only just for products. Marketing of anything can give you a better platform. That is what I felt because I am not interested right now in marketing my clinic. Okay. But I see some newer clinics having very good marketing strategies. Patients are flowing there.
Okay.
I have seen, no, they are not into something like, where am I getting the better deals? They are like, okay, this is being seen. Being seen is very important nowadays. As you know, Instagram scrolling that is being seen has to be improvised. Be that doesn't has result, no, that is not even mattered at all now.
And do we have इसमें when we ask about this clinical products में, like the one which you prescribe, at what age, like I'm asking about, like as a mother, at what age one can start for the kids? Because see, Sebamed, Johnson, Himalaya products, they are everywhere. You know, they have captured this kind of a thing. And Cetaphil is also like in that line only. I think these only are the few names which I can remember. So when can we start for a child?
See, if you talk about normal skincare, it is by birth.
It is by birth. Okay. So do we have clinical products from
That's
there?
what I'm asking. You don't need products.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You don't need certain products to use there.
Oh.
You need to start a basic moisturizer sunscreen for a kid going to school.
Okay.
You know, those who are going to play in their playground and get directly exposed to sun. You can use there. Why rushing? They don't want those things. Skin is a big thing. It heals by itself. Every 21 days, skin heals. You are getting newer skin. Why putting so much, tension towards that?
I think this is due to the societal norms.
It is.
है ना?
But you need to understand, we need just their minimum. But again, to a certain time. If a patient comes to me of age 11, I'll suggest a good normal wash or a moisturizer or a sunscreen. But if a patient comes to me of 31, I will not just say that you go and use face wash, moisturizer and sunscreen.
Definitely.
You need to add because you are going through aging. Be it that photo aging, be it that hormonal aging, be it that your age aging.
Mhm.
You need something to be added there.
Very true. And about, I think we left with the allergy
yes.
wala thing.
See, you want to know what is allergy.
Yes, basic layman language.
You need to understand for that every body is differently made with different genetics and everything. So sometimes allergies are hereditary. Like if my father is allergic to curd, let's say, then I might get allergic to curd.
Okay.
There are highly chances that I might get allergic to curd. Or my mother is allergic to something, then I might get allergic to that. But it is not always.
Okay.
Okay, certain allergies you might adapt
And
out the time.
okay, like this you are telling कि जैसे जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती जाती है, our like defense mechanism is also like.
See, I'll tell you one thing. We living in a city is not exposed to much pollens, flower pollen I'm talking about. Okay. And we certainly went to a trip where we explore new things. And then we started sneezing. Or we are having itchiness somewhere
Itchiness,
or
yes.
redness somewhere. It is because our body is not adapted to those things.
Okay.
Okay, that is a newer type of allergies. Like you have just known that you are allergic to pollen.
Okay.
Okay, that could be the reason that your body is already allergic to pollen, but you were never exposed to that.
Okay.
अगर मेरे पास कोई पेशेंट आता है नॉर्मल कोल्ड एंड कफ का, आई डू राइट सर्टेन टेस्ट. क्यों? क्योंकि नॉर्मल कोल्ड एंड कफ इज नॉट एवरी टाइम नॉर्मल. इट कुड बी मलेरियल. ठीक है, मलेरिया हो सकता है, आपको डेंगू हो सकता है, आपको आई नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई कि व्हाट इज प्रॉब्लम बिहाइंड दैट एंड देन आई कैन ट्रीट यू वेल.
Okay.
लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, पिगमेंटेशन में मैंने लिख दिया एक B12 का टेस्ट. पेशेंट इज लाइक मैडम चेहरे में दाग है या कालापन है, आप उसके लिए खून क्यों जांच करवा रहे हो?
Okay.
आप एंड दे टॉक आउटसाइड माय क्लिनिक, मैम का कमीशन होगा वहां पे. हाउ मच एम आई अर्निंग फ्रॉम दिस? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. जस्ट अ सिंपल टेस्ट and how will I earn with this and how much?
This is basically because of the knowledge. They don't have this kind of a, knowledge. They just have a prejudice kind of a thing in their head कि मैं जब आपके पास जाऊँ तो आप certain kind of चीज़ें मेरे को prescribe कर दो, like soframycin, betadine and something like that, and we are good to go. Right, but they're not understanding they are having certain kind of a issue which should go layer by layer, and that will definitely take your time also, your journey to you as a person, you are understanding them also, their history also, and this requires time. And definitely when time of somebody is there, मेरे को लगता है वहाँ पे फिर monetary कुछ चीज़ें तो involve होती है. It is very
Me being a patient, if you come to me, I'm just asking as a casual question.
Yeah.
You come to me and you say that I have been noticing pigmentation all over my body, knuckles and this. And if I write you tons of product, as you know that pigmentation is very stubborn to go.
yes,
You need certain drugs, you need something to apply topically within also. You need to heal
heal. Yes.
either wise.
Yes.
Okay. If I write just one test to you, that is B12. Why not go and get your B12 test and just take B12 and cure that?
Yes.
If I'll give you certain so many of the tablets and still it is not going to work, you'll get frustrated one day and you'll stop coming to me. But I have earned my thing. You have made up your mind that doctor is not good, it's not working on me. But when doctor wrote go for a just B12 ka test, you thought that I am earning out of it. I am helping you.
Exactly.
We are sitting there to help you. Doctory is very helpless profession. In case I am telling that they think that we are always earning out of everything. I mean, I want to say thankless. I mean,
thankless.
I'm so sorry for that.
Yeah.
Thankless job. if a person coming to me with a pigment, I tell them that pigment is going to help go for a certain, certain extent only.
And I think pigmentation ना बहुत strong होता है.
Exactly.
And it has come long way. It starts like when we were in school and it shows जब वो 10 साल के हो जाते हैं. It's a very long.
Exactly.
10 साल तक accumulate होता है. And then I think वहाँ से शुरू होता है.
But then they want that we should do magic in 10 days.
नहीं, that is not possible for anyone.
understand
It's
how.
not possible. And this you told me
It is possible. You know how?
Yeah.
Those again marketing people.
नहीं, you're famous पान वाला.
नहीं, पान वाला is the helping. The best part is nowadays parlor wali didi is doing magics. I'll give you Korean glass skin. See result today, tomorrow. Today, tomorrow.
This I want to ask, like many of people I have seen, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, they are going for clinical facials. They are not going to typical parlor वाली चीजें. They are going for clinical facials.
When those patients come to me now, I feel very happy. It's not because they are paying to me. It's because they are now aware.
Very true.
If you will notice now, there is one very nice influencer in Instagram. She has tons of followers. She owns a parlor in Delhi, and now she's freelancing everywhere. She gives dates that from this day to this day I'll be here, this day to this day I'll be there, and she is doing what? Doing Korean glass skin and some glow glass skin facials she named by herself. Okay, and she is putting certain things till hair, and suddenly once she's showing before and after, complete body is white. Matlab, this is the place where you place your materials and everything. And how come your neck is glowing after that? How come your hands just suddenly got lighter?
Video editing.
I don't know what is that. But it literally made us very hard to explain my patient that it is not possible.
People need to understand what is real and what is real. I think this is the basic thing which
very nice statement. People need to understand
yes
difference between real and real.
Every time it's not going to work, it is going to like really harm you in a long term.
I never mislead my patient that you can't put besan and haldi and dahi on your face. Yes, you can, because ये चलते आ रहा है उस time से. But again, the besan nowadays you are getting in the market, the haldi nowadays you are getting in the market is not that pure.
Very true. And the condition, I mean, जो weather का condition है, the sun was not that harsh. Today, the sun and everything, construction and everything, it has
tell a patient not to use those market wala haldi, dahi and all. They'll be like, ma'am, product आपके product ही काम कर रहे हैं, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं मैम, हमारी नानी दादी की स्किन आज भी चमक रही है. Yes, because उस समय था वो.
They were not exposed to this UV lights also.
Yes, they are not exposed to those time you are scrolling on your phones and all.
UV rays also, like this was on my DM, like one of the I can say viewer, she asked me ki is sunscreen important inside a room also and when you are cooking also and you are not going to sun, because it's written sunscreen. I want an answer from you. I know, but still I want an answer from you.
The only answer I can give is yes, yes and yes. See, you need to understand sunscreen, okay, but क्या है sun में ऐसा जो आपको problem दे रहा है?
UV
rays, which is in your cooking gas, your lights, anywhere, everywhere. Do you think you can stop sun to enter your house?
No.
You don't have windows? Don't you ventilate your kitchens?
Very true.
Then how can you skip a sunscreen if you are not even exposed to suns? Like you don't have window, suppose. Still you are working in front of flame. That is having rays. You are sclaring your phones. That is
having a UV ray.
Yes.
Absolutely.
You are sitting in a room which is well lit. that has rays.
So they have to, they have to not see only the superficial kind of a thing. They need to dig inside and see
And
why it
there
is
are,
impacted.
you didn't ask me, but I'll bring that for your knowledge, that I have many articles reading right now saying that sunscreen is causing cancer because we are not enough exposed to rays and our body is getting deficient there.
And I have read this article also, like one is reflective sunscreen and one is absorbing sunscreen.
And one is physical sunscreen.
I don't understand the basic difference but sunscreen has become a major thing which people are talking about. Sunscreen, and everywhere it's sunscreen.
Do you think that launching any medication or any product goes just made and sold? No.
No.
They are going through certain parameters.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो अगर मान लो आप कोई मेडिसिन है, वेरी वेल नोन FDA अप्रूव्ड लिखते हैं हम लोग, वो एक चीज है जहाँ पे आपको ये अश्योरेंस होती है जब वहाँ पे लिखा होता है कि FDA अप्रूव्ड.
FDA.
तो व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट, यू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार ये कहीं ना कहीं अच्छा होगा, तभी तो इसे अप्रूव किया गया है. तो वो जो FDA अप्रूव्ड पीपल बैठे हैं वहाँ पे, दे आर वेरी नॉलेजेबल. दे आर वेरी नॉलेजेबल. उनका काम है ये देखना कि ये आपको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है या ये आपको कोई डैमेज तो नहीं कर. हर प्रोडक्ट पे तो नहीं लिख के आता है FDA अप्रूव्ड.
No, I haven't seen.
सो व्हाई? बिकॉज कि एक टीम बैठी है वहां पे जो मेडिसिन टेस्ट कर रही है आपके लिए. साइंस कहते हैं इसे, ठीक है. वो उनके पास नॉलेज है इस चीज की. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर इम्प्लोवाइजिंग एवरीथिंग कि ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये नहीं है आपके लिए. तो इफ देयर इज अ हाइप ऑफ सनस्क्रीन, देयर मस्ट बी सम रीजन. एवरीवन इज इंसिस्टिंग टू यूज दैट.
Very true.
ऐसे आप कहो तो फिर बिना सनस्क्रीन के आप धूप में बैठे रहो, क्या होगा आपके बॉडी में फिर?
Oh, I just can't imagine.
इट्स नॉट दैट कि सनस्क्रीन लगाना इज अ गेम ऑफ डेथ इन लाइफ,
Ah, true.
बट यस यू माइट गेट कैंसर देयर आल्सो विदाउट यूजिंग सनस्क्रीन.
Exactly. That is why I said I can't.
I don't
say.
see any patient, matlab till date, I am not much into practice till date, but still I haven't seen in my experience or my seniors or the college I went through that there is any case where I have heard that I got a skin cancer through applying sunscreen.
Sunscreen. So why this all misleading
I
nonsense
don't
and all
understand things. There might be certain sunscreens which are causing all these things, but not for everyone, na?
Not for everyone.
You might not be suitable for that particular sunscreen. There might be some ingredient which reacted to your skin. As you
And
talked
might
about
your allergy. Might your condition was not that appropriate.
yes, that's what you told me about allergies. You might be allergic to certain ingredient in the sunscreen and you're continuously using that without awareness because you did not went to your dermat to ask for a sunscreen.
Very true.
Okay, and you took from chemist or cosmetic brand and you're applying it, and as a result you
This
got
happened.
damaged.
And I want to ask one last question. I know I just cannot, bound it in one podcast with you. I just want to ask how many kind of infections are there? If I broadly मैं जितना मैं categorize कर पाई हूँ, there is a bacterial infection, there is a fungal infection, and allergic to खैर मतलब that is with
Fungal,
everything.
microbial, can
Okay.
be any. There are vast of it. We need to do a complete day to explain you
Okay.
that. But again, if you have a problem, if you have infection, let a doctor help you. Not
Very true.
every infection can cure by yoconazole
Yes.
or clotrimazole. They need to be addressed accordingly. A bacterial infection will be cured through antibacterial tube. A fungal infection will be cured through antifungal tubes.
Yes.
You can't just go to a chemist and ask for a tube and they do give. And हो भी जाता है ठीक. Because again, it's your body tendency to heal. Okay, after some time it will heal. It's just that if you apply certain thing correctly, it will heal faster.
Okay.
That is all. I would love to tell patients of mine that please do not experiment on yourself. You just have to ask.
You just have to ask a right, matlab, you just have to ask your problem, and from there you can get your solution.
We are sitting for that. It's our business to help you. Like a certain businessman has different businesses. A cloth merchant has to sell you cloth. We need to sell you health.
And how do you think that lifestyle problem जो आजकल इतना ज़्यादा चल रहा है, not sleeping at the right time, not having right kind of food, so many junk food are there. I mean, there are many apps. Scroll करो, मंगा लो, have it anytime a day, and those things are reflecting on pre-teen also, teen also.
See, you can't just blame food apps. Have you seen apps like Blinkit, Zomato, Zepto?
नहीं, that is, हाँ.
Nowadays कैसा होता था ना, पहले हमारी मम्मा को कुछ चाहिए होता था, खाना बना रहे हैं, चीनी घट गए मान लो, तो हमें क्या कहती थी, बेटा ये पैसे लो,
और जाकर लेकर आ जा.
That चीनी लाना वाला thing was walking through those things. Walking that particular time, आप चले, आप दौड़ के गए, एक एक्साइटमेंट थी कि मम्मा ने मुझसे चीनी मंगाया, मुझे बहुत जल्दी लाके देना है ना, मेरी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. अगेन build-up of your mind.
Yes.
ठीक है, your physic health, your mental health, your calculative health. 10 रुपए मिले चीनी के, 8 रुपए की चीनी लानी, 2 रुपए बचे तो टॉफी मिल जाएगा उसमें. ठीक है, it is overall development which is lacking right now.
Very true.
And it's not just the kid, it's the parent also. They are not asking them to get चीनी. Now the kids are very shy to get. मैं नहीं जा रहा उनके दुकान पे लेने के लिए, मुझे बहुत खराब लगता है, 10 रुपए की चीनी लेके आऊंगी. आप ब्लिंकिट कर लो ना मम्मा, आई एम प्लेइंग गेम. यू कांट जस्ट ब्लिंकिट. मम्मा मैं सिखा देता हूँ आपको कि कैसे चलती है ऐप.
So this is all, lifestyle वाला.
And parent want to cope up with the child. कि अच्छा, child is very advanced, my child is very smart. Yesterday he was teaching me how to order sugar on Zepto with 50% off. I wasn't aware that coupon भी लगते हैं. बताओ, बगल से मैं मंगाती हूँ, 20 रुपए की चीज़ यहाँ पे 10 रुपए में दे रहा है. अरे वेयर हाउस में वो चीज़ कब से पड़ी है,
सही बात है.
क्या है उसके अंदर. आपका जो एक गेम था, एक मेंटल फिजिकल बैलेंस ऑफ योर चाइल्ड हैज डिस्टर्ब्ड.
And that is what I'm telling now. People need to understand a layer deeper. Everyone has to understand a layer deeper. And I think ये जो पूरा system है ना, this has taken over and completely taken over, right?
It is good to have luxury in life, but
Again we are paying cost of next
you need to
generation.
pay cost
We are
for that.
paying cost for next generation.
True.
And I was having a chat with you. You are there for the hair transplant also. You go for like double chin also. This I had a word with you. So like all this thing. See, basically जितना मेरे को पता है, your fat cells are never like flush out नहीं होते आपकी body से. They are always there in your body. It is something like balloon which blows out
and deflate.
and it comes
See,
down.
it's not that. Okay, fat cells.
So again, it's a myth.
It is the word you said that it never goes
Yeah.
is a myth. It
Okay.
does.
It is a myth.
It does melt. What is fat? You need to understand. In a layman language, I'll try to explain that butter is what we are relating to fat. ठीक है. हमारा जब बटर को हम हीट गरम पे आता है, वो गरम लगता है तो वो
Melt होता
मेल्ट
है.
हो जाता है.
Yeah.
That is what is fat. ठीक है. At a certain injectables or something which is producing heat over that place, और जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो आपकी बॉडी क्या होती है, हीट अप होती है.
होती है. Yeah.
तो जो लोग एक्सरसाइज करते हैं रेगुलर बेसिस पे, दे डोंट हैव फैट. व्हाई? बहुत ही मतलब इजी लैंग्वेज में अगर मैं समझाऊं तो if your body is getting heat up through exercises, if you are like again buying luxury with injectables and all, क्या कर रहा है वो, मेल्ट कर रहा है आपके फैट को. It will wave off.
Okay.
बटर जो होता है, मान लो आपने एक छन्नी में रखा हुआ है बटर को, तो जब वो बटर सॉलिड रहेगा तो वो वैसे ही टिका रहेगा। जब वो गर्म होके पिघल जाएगा तो क्या होगा, वो छन्नी से बह गया।
बाहर बैग क्यों चला
ठीक है,
True.
तो फैट आर दोज थिंग्स विच मेल्ट्स। ठीक है, अब ये नहीं कह सकते हो कि जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अरे इनका फैट तो बर्न हुआ ही हुआ, इनके मसल्स भी चले गए, ये बहुत पतली हो गई है। मसल्स कांट मेल्ट, वो आपका फैट था जो निकल गया है। नाउ यू नीड टू बिल्ड अप योर मसल्स, डेफिनेटली स्ट्रेंथन अप योर मसल्स,
Absolutely.
बट ये नहीं हो सकता कि मसल्स भी निकल गए।
They never go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So fat can get
Okay.
melted.
Okay. So like this, like when you were, matlab like you see the scalp also. Scalp is again a very big skin,
Okay.
right? And up hair transplant be you are,
Yeah, I assist a hair, right?
yeah, you assist those also. Like we are into a world where we are losing everything. We are losing our hair. We are losing like बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं. A good skin also. We are losing our basically our mind over every single kind of a thing. So do you think that like ये जो hair transplant होता है ये बाकी और भी चीज़ें होती हैं. Like there are many things. Do they sustain? Like does it add on your things या आपकी
See, I'll tell
beautification?
you that it was from very long time.
Okay.
लोग कहते हैं ना कि अब की जनरेशन में बाल ज्यादा गिर जा रहे हैं। पहले तो हमारी नानी दादी के बहुत बड़े बड़े बाल थे। You're right, बट किसी के नानी दादी के नहीं भी थे। ठीक है, बट वो नोटिसेबल नहीं था। पहले के लोग ये नहीं ध्यान देते थे कि उनके सर पे बाल हैं कि नहीं, वो काले हो रहे हैं, उनके घुटने काले हो रहे हैं, ये नहीं था उनका मेन मोटिव। देयर मेन मोटिव वाज कि प्लेट में आज क्या सर्व होगा। ठीक है, नहीं, आई एम टेलिंग यू कि वो पूरा टाइम दादी नानी वाज लाइक, मदर वाज लाइक कि आज बच्चे को क्या अच्छा खिला दे। जो मदर फोकस था, और फादर फोकस था कि मैं कितना ज्यादा अर्न कर लूं कि मेरे बच्चों के लिए मैं ये खरीद लूं, वो कर दूं, ऐसे कर दूं।
कमी तो नहीं रह
ठीक है, कुछ कमी तो नहीं रह गई। एग्जैक्टली, बट आज का फोकस है कि मेरे अंदर तो कोई कमी नहीं रह गई। समझ रहे हो आप? It has changed. The scenario has changed. Now people are more concerned about themselves. इसलिए हम नोटिस कर पा रहे हैं, और साइंस डेवलप हो गया इतना ज़्यादा कि हम हेल्प कर पा रहे हैं आपकी इसको रिवर्स करने पे। अदरवाइज एजिंग काफ़ी टाइम से है, हमेशा से है।
ना हमेशा ऑब्वियसली
ठीक है, यू कांट स्टॉप एजिंग।
no one
It
can.
is a beautiful process which is made by God. ठीक है, तो you can't just reverse aging, but yes, you can age beautifully, and we are there to help you for that.
Very beautiful statement. I mean, we can't stop aging, but we can help you in beautification of it.
Yes.
Yes.
So you just need to understand that not every simple thing is huge, not every huge thing is simple. Okay, like not every itching can be eczema, and not every pigment can be, melasma. It can be just tanning, which your kids have. It is good to be aware, it is good to take care of those things, but don't get havoc about it कि नहीं करना ही है मुझे एकदम मेरा बच्चा गोरा ही चाहिए। नहीं हो सकता। He or she is going school. सनरेज है, उनकी टाइमिंग ऐसी है कि आप मॉर्निंग में जा रहे हो तो भी आप सन एक्सपोज्ड हो, आप इवनिंग में आ रहे हो तो भी सन एक्सपोज्ड हो, आप डस्ट एक्सपोज्ड हो, आप लाइट के एक्सपीरियंस के लिए एक्सपोज हो रहे हो।
True.
द मोर इफ दिस इज रॉन्ग देन करेक्ट मी, अदरवाइज स्कूल का सबसे बेस्ट पीरियड होता है गेम पीरियड।
Game period. Yes, absolutely.
आज
correct. Yes, आज तक होता है।
क्यों होता है? बिकॉज देयर यू आर नॉट फोर्स्ड टू डू एनीथिंग, you are enjoying there, you are learning there. And some people are like, मैडम गेम्स पीरियड में बच्चा बहुत ये देखा करो आप, मेरे बच्चों को चोट ना लग जाए। चोट लगेगा तभी तो वो समझेगा कि you need to make that pitch more firm
Very true.
to play. But I don't understand कि I understand. I will not say that I don't understand.
I understand
Yeah.
now. the things and scenario. So let's sum up this podcast. I had a huge gala laughter time with Dr. Pooja, and I do think kindly DM me, and definitely I'll be a collaborator with her. I mean, you can ask direct questions to her, and she has a clinic also. You can go and visit over there. If you have any simple problem or any big problem, it's up to you. Just go and ask about your skincare. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.